Welcome to Jack Fleming Artistry, where I'm turning this dusty, crusty old creeper into a piece of art and auctioning it off at the Dallas Autorama to raise money for the Scottish Rite Children's Hospital. This is part of the Great Texas Panel Jam that we do annually. Alright, I'm going to hit these with a stain and then some clear coat in the morning. It says 8 hours in between coats. I'm going to have to leave like a fan going in here tonight or something. Maybe even a heater. Hopefully I can put something on the main part of this where I can paint. That'll dry in time. I didn't sand the wood too much, that way the stain would bring out some of the old battle scars and stuff. Right now we've used the handy dandy work table that I built. Cut out the rest of the pieces needed to put this creeper back together, so I'm going to start working on that now. When I pulled it apart, the old wood that was there in that part of it was just too far gone to really look good. So we're kind of having some old and new going on with this. I think it'll be cool. Ooh-wee, I gotta show you all this, man. This is cool, cool, cool. This is gonna look great. I like shiny, old, worn stuff next to shiny, clean, new stuff. It's contrast, right? It's cool. Time to stripe this up, and then I'm gonna put the wheels on it afterwards. So my intentions on this really is to make it kind of a cool wall hanger, not necessarily something somebody's going to work on. So keep the old stuff, the old hardware, the wood looking a little bit damaged, I guess, still, but cleaned up, a little bit stronger than it was. Turn it into a full service garage sign here. Thought that was kind of cool, inspired by some old vintage signs and stuff that I saw while traveling on Route 66 when I went out to Pomona's panel jam that they have at the Grand National Roadster Show. I actually feel very thankful to get to be a part of the Great Texas Panel Jam here. It happens in Dallas, Texas. We've been doing this for a while. Me and a couple of other people helped bring it back a few years ago. This was our third year doing it. Get artists. Here's Kate Cook. Get different artists from all over the place. Mostly here in Texas. These are the hands of Corey Angevine as he's working on a piece. And we all paint pieces before we come and then work on pieces while we're there and get to enjoy the show a little bit. I don't remember how many hundreds of cars show up at it, but it's pretty cool. But then everything gets auctioned off. This piece that you're seeing me work on actually got auctioned off this year. I think it raised over $1,000. Which was part of the over $30,000 that we raised for the Children's Hospital this year. If you ever get an opportunity to go to a panel jam, you're going to see artists bringing their A game, have an opportunity to bid on that stuff, and help raise money for a charity. They all go to great cause. Alright, I know this is a shorter video than normal, but I really wanted to share something from the panel jam this year. It's a pretty special thing for me. I'm really grateful to be a part of it. There is a website for it. I'll put a link to that down in the description, and I'll also put a link to the Panel Jam's Instagram page. As always, if you guys like this, please hit like and subscribe, and check out some of the other videos that should pop up. Have a good day.